My beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. Today, sharp, very fast, I want to tell you about makeup, loud makeup. What this thing has cost just last week. Two families were seriously in trouble. They are still in that shock. In fact, one of them lost his wife. The second one, the wife is in trouble in the hospital. So let me start from the first one. The first one was that they went for holiday and the wife joined her two other ladies to stroll around, and they went for women day and so on. So as she returned from there, those her friend dropped her at the door of where they were staying. It's not hotel. Right there, where they were staying. That is where they dropped her, and she forgot her phone inside the car of her friend, and they have left. Because they have left, she walked to the door, the house where they are staying, where she was there with her husband and her 3 children, and those kids are small. So she pressed the bell. The husband looked at through the door, something peeping. They did not recognize her wife. This man refused to open the door. She believed it's someone else. And she was doing everything possible to get the man to open the door. This man refused to open that door. And I believe this man was not purposely doing it. She did not recognize her, his wife. So this is what loud makeup can do. And she was stuck. She was still there until the bad boys meet her there and beat her up, took what the remaining things left with her. It was too late when the husband got to know, was when the husband started calling her phone number, and those her friends now picked the call and told the husband that your wife is already in your house at your door, probably knocking. That was when the husband now opened the door, and behold, the wife was lying sick and helpless, beaten. So what I'm trying to say here is that loud makeup can actually make your wife, or your husband, not to recognize you. It can actually make your children not to recognize you. A loud makeup is too dangerous. That's number one story. The second one is that a young man got married to a very wonderful lady. And this woman hardly come out without her makeups. Whether I will put it as, I think makeups or makeup. I don't know. But this one is makeups, because she will make her finger, she will make her legs, she will make her hair, she will make her eyes, she will make her teeth, chin, everywhere, filled up with paint and filler. Behold, this lesson is not only for the men, it's not only for the girls, it's for everybody, young and old, married and unmarried. Please, let's reduce this makeup of a journey, of a thing. Odero good, ojoka. If I'm sorry if you are offended, but it is the story. These are people who I know. This young man got married to this young lady. It's only in the night or at night, that is only when this woman may go to bed without her makeups. And when she's going to bed, she either rub the white things or the oil things. But one major day, this young man came back home in the afternoon and saw her wife. It was still, their marriage was still second week. Just let me say 10 days, because according to him, ninth day, this problem started the 9th day after their wedding. And so on the 10th day was when The woman was kicked out. The boy left the house, came in with another woman. Actually, he was just doing everything to make her leave the marriage, to make the boy and the woman leave him alone. He came home and saw his wife in her real face. And the man started, there are men, some men can easily react immediately. And this boy did not react immediately. She was like, who did I saw? Did I actually saw my wife or someone else? But later when he realized it was actually his own wife, that was when he got so mad. And he went to him and to her and say, darling, is this your real face? You remember that Emanuela comedy? This is not my real face. So that was when this man now asked, is this your real face? Does it mean that you were not actually what I thought you were? So this man did not believe her at all. He put on fire light, he put on all the light, and he want to, are you for real? Is this your real face? Until the boy was shocked for a while and decided to call off the marriage. Like a joke. Up till now, we are still putting mouth in this matter. The marriage is broken. The marriage don't scatter because of makeup. The guy came home and the woman he saw doesn't look like the woman he got married to. So the topic and the end of this matter discussion is that makeup landed a woman to the hospital because the husband could not recognize her. Loud makeup also landed a lady who wants to get married. After marriage, now divorce within the 10th day of their marriage. Simply because makeup was what brought her there. And now without makeup, she was kicked out. I want to say at this end or in this particular video that if we know the consequence that faces loud makeup, it causes cancer, face cancer. It causes people to hate you because when they see that you were not the actual person they met for the first time, they will not continue with you. It also causes lack of confidence. It also causes self-hate. All these things has been the cause of what loud makeup can bring. If you continue, it will also kill your face. The little one you have is going down. The real people who are in trouble, of this makeup of a thing, they will not want to tell us the truth. If they will tell our fellow women, if they will be honest to be truthful to our girls, they will actually reduce this problem they are in. I believe that if we can work on ourselves, talk to ourselves, if you're a husband, be honest to your wife. Don't push her into making up every now and then. Help your daughters, help your young ones, help people around you. Tell them the truth. Praise them when they don't have makeup. Don't always praise makeup and push them to always do makeup, especially loud ones. I will do another video on this because this will make me to get some facts. I will reference some people who actually have written some good write-up over this makeup issue. But when I saw this story about how these two people landed in trouble, I decided to do this video. Thank you for stopping by, and I will bring you my Igbo lesson as soon as possible. Keep on liking, subscribe, and share. Bye.